Nestled in 208 hectares in the heart of Nelliyampathy, a mountain retreat in the Sahya range located in Palakkad district of Kerala, Government Vegetable and Orange Farm, Nelliyampathy, is setting new heights, integrating agricultural activities with farm tourism and value addition, embarking a historic achievement in this historic land embedded with pristine natural beauty all round. In days of yore, Nelliyampathy's claim to fame was his luscious oranges grown at the Agricultural Research Station. These fruits were carted to feed the British troops during the World War II. They were so popular that cartons of these fruits were shipped in those days to the Queen of England. Now the fame of this enchanting hill station is regained by luscious orange replantations flourishing in Government Orange and Vegetable Farm, Nelliyampathy, once lost by citrus decline during last decades. Apart from oranges, the farm is a treasure trove of more than 50 varieties of fruit crops, 20 varieties of cool season crops in 10 acres, and other vegetable crops in 5 acres, coffee plantations in 80 hectares, natural guava forests in 23 hectares, 67 value-added products, and a lot more. The farm also pioneered in production of around 3 lakh quality planting materials each year, including unique production of passion fruit seedlings and orange grafts. Traveling a long way from conventional mandates, the farm has set successful example in establishing farm tourism in 15 acres, experimenting polyhouse and open precision and environmental friendly farming techniques, maintaining germplasm of various fruit crops and ornamentals, and conducting training programs right from crop production to value addition. Established in 1943, the farm is renowned for its orange orchards, as the name suggests. Around 7,000 numbers of orange trees in 3 varieties, namely Nelliyampathy Local, Coorg Mandarin, and Nagpur Orange, are grown in 5 blocks in 20 hectares. This is the newly established plot of 1,000 Coorg Mandarin grafts brought from Indian Institute of Horticultural Research, Chedahalli. New experiments in Mozambique farming also started yielding success, adding a new fruit crop in this farm family. The farm possesses a proud collection of 12 varieties of lemon, including Nagpur lemon, Rangpur lemon, Kazi lemon, Malta lemon, and so on. The oranges are grown with utmost care and precision at each and every stages. The adoption of integrated farming practices like live mulching with cowpea, application of Jivamridam, etc. help to retain the health and vigor of plants. The next major attraction of farm is passion fruit plots in 27 acres, adding beauty and charm to the walkways. Along with local variety, another variety, Kaveri, released from IIHR, is also cultivated here. Guava trees are grown in 23 hectares of natural forest. The area of this natural forest is expanded every year through natural propagation by elephants feeding the guava fruits. The farm's major attraction during December-February season is the cool season crops, around 20 varieties in number, grown as intercrop in orange plantations in open precision farming method. An array of cool season beauties like cabbage, cauliflower, broccoli, lettuce, Chinese cabbage, radish, carrot, beetroot, beans is always an eye-treating visual to the visitors. The coffee plantations in 80 hectares adds more income to the farm revenue. The butter beans plot, maintained from British period, and Kashmir garlic, a new addition, also attracts the visitors. High-tech crop and planting material production is carried out in 9 poly houses and 2 rain shelters. The poly houses are constructed under the aid of state horticulture mission schemes. Apart seedling production of high-value crops, vegetables like capsicum, beetroot, salad cucumber, fruits like strawberry and high-value ornamentals are grown in poly houses. This poly houses non-orchid and endangered orchid species. The fabulous collection of cactus, orchids and air plants here in this poly house is mind-blowing. Strawberries are also grown in open precision farming method. Production of high-quality planting material is another major activity of the farm. This is the only center where orange grafts and passion fruit seedlings in large quantities are produced and supplied throughout state. The farm also prioritizes production of planting materials of unique wild varieties like wild mango and wild jamun. Associated with production of planting materials, a well-maintained progeny orchard for fruits and flowers is also maintained here. The major highlight of this farm is the processing center, established long back in 1960 and upgraded with modern machineries. Whatever is produced in this farm is processed into value-added products of diverse range with high standards and quality. Out of 67 value-added products, 10 products are boarded online. 5 products from passion fruits, namely squash, jam, jelly from rind, pickle, and ready-to-drink fruit, serve under the brand name Fruit Nell, are of high demand among consumers. Passion fruits are processed in a zero-waste method where even the rind rich in pectin is converted into jelly and pickle. Other products like orange squash, wild jamun juice, wild mango pickle, etc. are also highly demanded by public. The farm also provides training for students, FPOs, farmers, entrepreneurs in value addition, crop cultivation, propagation methods. That is, right from seed production to processing, one can acquire the technical know-how from technical experts with practical guidance. Farm tourism activities maintained in 15 acres is another major activity of this farm. Tiled pathways, tree hut, lily pond, lawns, passion fruit vine-roofed walkways, rose gardens, hibiscus and other ornamentals, fruit orchards, bamboo zone, resting points under chamba tree shades, selfie points. The farm combines all these elements of recreation demanded by tourists and nature lovers. Guest house facility is also provided for the tourists on request. Fruit forests with more than 50 varieties of fruits and walkways through sweet corn fields provides a delightful experience for each and every tourist. The planting materials produced here are displayed in model nursery, and all the products, including farm fresh vegetables, planting materials, and value-added products, can be purchased from the sales counter. Opened on all days, the farm is a must-visit spot for all tourists flocking into this part of Western Ghats.